Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Mazda CX-3 versus the BMW X1. We'll explore how these two subcompact SUVs stack up against each other, focusing on what makes each unique. The Mazda CX-3 is known for its engaging driving dynamics and excellent value, while the BMW X1 offers a premium experience with robust performance. Let's dive into the details to help you decide which one is better for your needs. When it comes to performance, the Mazda CX-3 typically features a 2.0-liter engine producing around 148 horsepower. It offers a playful and agile driving experience, though the ride can be firm. The BMW X1, however, boasts a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, with options for 241 or even 312 horsepower. This translates to athletic handling and a more refined, yet engaging, driving feel. Inside, the Mazda CX-3 presents a well-crafted cabin with quality materials and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. While stylish, its rear passenger and cargo space are somewhat limited. In contrast, the BMW X1 offers a more modern and spacious interior, featuring a large curved display for its infotainment and instrument cluster. The X1 also provides substantially more cargo room, making it more practical for hauling gear. Considering value, the Mazda CX-3 typically starts at approximately $20,000, offering a compelling package for its price. The BMW X1, being a luxury SUV, has a higher starting price, usually around $40,000. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize engaging driving dynamics and affordability or premium features, powerful performance, and greater interior space. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.